welcome to another episode of Penguins Gone episode 112.
That is Penguin doing his video.
And today, I'm in the pool. I'm in the pool. I don't want it on anymore. Ring.
Wait, I can't fit. Oh. It's actually not that bad.
I'm in the water, guys. I'm in the water.
And the water goes splashes you in the...
Whoa.
Calvin. Oh, God.
Oh.
Calvin. Calvin. Wait. Harry, I see you holding the... I see you holding the...
Look at me. I'm digging away.
Stop. Are you kidding me, Robert? Yeah, it's cold.
Sorry, guys, I'm trying to phone.
It's cold, but I'm getting used to it. He's not going to drown anymore.
Oh, I'm dirty.
Robin, stop!
Idiot.
Can you pass me
Stop.
that? Can you pass me that? Sophie the
What?
penguin is being very weird. This tank is bigger, so
Stop!
Jacob!
I'm trying to phone again, guys. An idiot here.
Isn't she lovely?
Stop splashing.
Where's the lid for this one?
There is no lid. Oh yeah, I think I know what it is. I think it went off the
Calvin, don't throw it. Rowan,
bed.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna give you a water gun.
Oh, that's it. I think this is it. Try this. Stop splashing.
Here you go, here's a water gun.
I don't need that. I don't need that.
Don't splash me, don't splash me, I can't splash you.
I can't splash you anyway.
Okay guys, that is episode 2. The pool party's done. Stay tuned on what the next episode is going to be about. See ya.
Oh, what I am? Look at this. Help me. Help me. Not at me. Not me. Look at me.
Wait, I'll save him.
Look at me. Done.
Oh, it's raining. It's raining.